I want to show you another classic sandwich to make in vegan. It's super easy to make it in vegan. This time we make the classic Reuben sandwich. We use plant-based ingredients. For example, instead of corned beef, we use marinated tempeh, and it's really amazing. You should give it a try. You can even add vegan cheese if you want to, but I did not, and I did not miss it, so just try it out. Let me show you how to make it. We start with the corned tempeh. Add in half cup veggie broth, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoon tamari, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and half teaspoon coriander powder, a pinch anise and allspice, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, a pinch cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, 2 tablespoons nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon liquid smoke to a bowl, and mix well. Now cut the tempeh in 3 slices and cut off thin slices. So we want really thin slices to marinate so they get all the flavors we need. You can use a daily slicer if you have one at home. I love to use it so you get really thin slices, or you can just use a knife. Put the tempeh slice in the marinade and mix well. The tempeh should be covered completely. I love to shake the container. Let the tempeh sit in the fridge for 1 hour, or even better, overnight. Fry the marinated tempeh in the pan. Use a non-stick pan when you don't use oil. If it gets too dry, add some more of the left marinade. Sample the sandwich. Take your favorite bread. Add 1 slice to a pan. Add some of the sauce. Add a few slices of the tempeh. Add sauerkraut and add the Russian dressing. I add a lot of the Russian dressing, so it's perfect then. You can never have enough sauce on a sandwich, right? Cover the sandwich with a second slice and press it down lightly. Flip the sandwich and toast the other bread. Press the sandwich down as well. Do not forget to check out all my tips on the blog post. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a thumbs up if you did. I will see you again in the next video.